So the old John Deere lives again. Thanks to one special person. That's right. A lot of comments, very helpful. Thanks a lot for everyone's ideas and input. And so a majority of you went after this pesky little solenoid here that it's like an anti-backfire solenoid. So yeah, sometimes those go bad and they won't let the thing run. But the problem here was that the bowl wasn't even filling up with fuel. Well, one person out of everyone, they had a whole different approach, and they said, no. Danny Boy says, no. Wrong. That is not the problem. You got to check to see if your float's moving up and down in there all the way, because that little pin could be stuck, and it will not allow the fuel to come in and fill up the bowl. He said that solenoid would not cause that problem. Now, before his answer, I did take that thing off and cut off that little nub, like a lot of people do, to just kind of rule out that and see if that was the problem. It was very easy, and to my surprise, it was not that. Nope. Turns out, Golden Boy strikes again with the answer to the whole shit. That's right. So, took off that carburetor. Now, you can buy a whole carburetor on Amazon for 30-40 bucks. So I said, man, I guess for 30-40 bucks I could just completely just rule out the carb and just get a new one. Throw it on there, see what happens. But I took that carburetor, I put it in a cup of what I had was a mixture of PB Blaster and home heating oil, basically diesel. I let it soak in there a couple days, soaked, took it out. Nope, that float still wasn't doing much. Not much movement in that float at all. So plunked it back in, let it soak some more, another couple of days. Well, today I took it out of there. I started flicking around that. It seemed like that float started moving more and more. So threw it back on. Very easy, very simple to put on, and tap the key and we're good. So Danny Boy came through. I needed you all this time after. Thanks a lot, and hopefully you got one of these. Watch this video, crack one open. Cheers to you, and cheers to everyone that cared to voice their opinion and ideas. And just a stupid lawn tractor, but she's a runner.